Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to fix Deliveroo app not working on a device. So if you want to fix the problem of Deliveroo app not working on a device, then this is the video for you then. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now make sure that your device has strong Wi-Fi connection or any kind of mobile data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, you may simply connect it. But if you are connected and the app is not working, then you may simply turn on the airplane mode for one. So it helps you to fix the all the network issue which is happening on a device. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to simply open the app store on a device and you need to search the Deliveroo app. So after that, you may click on the option of Deliveroo, which is like this. So check if there is any update available in this app. So if there is any update, you may click on the option of update to update the app. So by updating the app, then it may help you to fix the box editor which is happening. So if that helps, that is good. If that doesn't, then you need to open settings on a device, and under settings you'll see the option of general. So click on it, and under general you'll see the option like about, software update, iPhone storage, and also click on the option of iPhone storage, and here you need to find the Deliveroo app. So scroll down until you see the option of Deliveroo and click on the option of show all. So here is the Deliveroo app. Here you'll see the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the errors or bugs which are happening on the app and helps you to fix the app not working on a device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.